Hello guys, welcome to Tech Teachers. This is our new video on workshop part 2 of poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers. Without wasting our time, let's start. Today we are gonna start with question number 4. If you are new to our channel, you must check out our last video. The link is given in the description. Let's start with question number 4. Find the phrases, lines in the poem that means the following. A. Hope is a light, delicate thing. What do you think? Just read the poem and try to understand the sentence. And if you can, really, if you can, try to guess the answer. No? Okay, the answer is hope is the thing with feathers. Here, feathers are considered as light and delicate things. B. Hope offers comfort to your soul. Guess the answer. The answer is that perches in the soul and sings. Here, comfort is compared with perches that hope offers comfort to our soul. C. Hope is not a wordy thought. It is more like a feeling, an emotion. The answer is and sings the tune without words. D. In the most difficult times, hope offers the greatest comfort. Answer and sweetest so many warm. E. Hope is not easily defeated. Guess you answer? Yes, and never stops at all. F. Hope has given comfort to many people. The answer is that keeps so many warm. In this question, comfort is compared to warm. G. Hope lives on in very hard times, even when it gets nothing from you. Answer. Yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 5. If you have doubt in previous questions, just drop down a comment below. We will answer you. Now we will see question number 5. We can relate many of our feelings and experiences to events or things in nature. Which of your feelings or experiences can we relate to the following? Now see the answer. Let's begin with question number 1. Darkness. Darkness seems evil sign. Second, a storm. Storm are related to difficulties. Third, sunrise. You can guess it. It says progress or growth. 4. A light shower. It says pleasure. Fifth, sunshine. Sunshine clearly says happiness. 6. Earthquake. It says sudden violent damage. 7. A rainbow. There's no timetable of a rainbow. If we are lucky, we will see it. This says unexpected joy. 8. Dawn. Dawn says the beginning of something. 9. Dark clouds. Dark clouds clearly say they are connected to sadness or difficulties. 10. Dusk or evening. At evening the day ends. It seems end of something. 11. A peacock. What do you feel when you see a peacock? It gives you pleasant feelings. 12. Flood. Flood says a lot of difficulties or damage. Okay, let's turn on the next question. That is question number 6. Write in a few lines about an experience of your own where you scored in your exams much more than you hoped for. What did that experience teach you? Now see the answer. I could get much more marks in exams than I hoped for, and I was on the cloud 9. Really very happy. Everyone admired me for my effort. It was a great experience. It taught me that if you hope for something heartily and work accordingly, you can achieve anything according to your hope and expectation. Hoping is achieving. We hope you understood and learned from this video. If you did, just hit the like button, share, and also don't forget to press the subscribe button. If you want to learn in interesting way, that's all. Now you can enjoy your day. Thank you.